Okay, now we have these barrel-shaped capacitors. These are also polarized, but they're much easier to figure out because they have this little gray side on them, which is the minus, and that goes over this way to the edge. And they go on quite easily. Since this isn't taking very long, I'll get this last one on this clip so we can move ahead. This last one, a little bigger. When I do this one, I don't really want the cap to come out crooked because it's sitting like this. So I will do this. I'll push it up with the soldering iron, and that seemed to work. I'm sure there's plenty of other methods to do that, but that works. So now, see, these are kind of crooked. You don't want to leave them like that. It just looks sloppy. Now we have all the simple components, the most difficult one and the individual components, and it's time to do the sockets.